أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Abonon kuno apahon sima aduanai mienu pepe Kesben 93.3 live on Kesben television live on Kesben 92.9 ewo enkrai manfo etiewia siafana nyina mo live enso ewo Facebook Kesben Sports on Facebook live ewo sanso na mo amudi achi ewo WhatsApp mo messages na mo dey for WhatsApp no pamcho 0244263902 with me the messages are fast line so they bring WhatsApp mo the videos we bring WhatsApp no so no with me the afawa then so yensa aka sanso na Twitter handle no at Kesben Sports at Kesben Sports with my live or twitter.com/KesbenTV sanso and with my download Kesben FM app no e Play Store na honso no with me share live baby with me share live ya mamunyina team mamunyina kwaba eba midfield action Tony as usual what na say the stories no brain at the hands as a Tyson Fury and Anthony Joshua omo fight no I say ebewe ya ni sa enche sa fight no bibia ebewe no sa fight no betimi abaso tennis and the marry after 2 months or say aba back to action and so best player FIFA best player pamcho Nyankopon ebuama bibia etuto dia ebehu se Lewandowski ne benya o se Messi o se Ronaldo emusensem nyina Tony Ababa no e de airbrain enra match se koso na de na mafo ni di echi pa bigidi pa se Tottenham and Liverpool gamer and also a koso ewo Anfield na Jose Mourinho de bia boka o kasembi ama odwene ho a ontiase ni nyina ho nsensem Tony Eddie Bebre bebefie na be de koso enso ewo efie local stories enso bebrebe Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni Great Olympics ene enasem gitu akra ewo Accra Sports Stadium Tony seboko
na bibia de dinaunso e
nkopa dom bibia epa 9:44 yamre nusa enti yanka jangu dan tentem yanko so bia ho ye
onyame ado bia ho ye
okay
bia ho ye pa
yanko
ye nante volunteer so na nisa na say enfi box ne ko box na say say jo edin kan ten ho no nyame ado ma na say o 2 bout to bia enso ehwe ne me all British affair Tyson Fury so any Anthony Joshua ebekon na edin hen enanopo grant interview wo so no ni follow promoter ne din Eddie Bob Arum omo agree in principle says aka small issues no mo so etimi out na fe sa due no mo enso etimi agree say next year 2 bouts ebetimi aba so Anthony Joshua AJ ono enso any Tyson Fury ntokwa no eno enso ebetimi aba so den na yekotenes nso an 2 months any the last time Andy Murray ono enso about tennis game no was way back 2 months Oko Colon and Fernando Verdasco enso ko boy olusi tennis game there ba and say next week obeko London na London LTA Masters no ono enso etimi akwakobi na kwakwakobo no ono Dan Evans nenia no eno enso kwakopena fe tennis jumedi no eno enso etimi abaso na yenko FIFA Best Award ne behum obi a FIFA fo be ni say eba ne mema ema bola ono ahenche no enso ehyenemom Hansi Flicker oye manager ema Bayern Munich nso akasa ahead of nejumedi a eno enso ebetimi akwaso se no doubt sa fuyi Player of the year or say ko ade Emma Robert Lewandowski do say Messi and Ronaldo ayade na so oye comparison man nya ade omo 11 no ebedu modern man Lewandowski enso ade Emma
legona so say wo de enchase mpeduma na obi ayi na dina o dwen ho okay masa etse
ayo now so
akobado bia yi ko
de nyame ase ena o say
mumrani yakete
anti
nse my day
me say ayi ena na so be chetu credit no ahanti voice no be mfimfin na ba kono so
na una arrange voice eba
me arrange me kasa me say de o kan no
na be kire me kwan me fa so
okay
me nche me credit
ene manoko kofia
better
manoko kofia
so we aboko
so we do o wase de nyina afi nyame o so nim za
must be nyame wa menjaze
Oh, reward. Yeah, reward. If he is from God.
Okay.
Tiana, a man you may be how. Thank you. At times I may be teacher. Once a teacher. Always. Yes, you could be the band a man for who teacher for some for so papa. Boom, bre. Sakitiano. Kitu ebi. Bado wa kitiano so.
Teacher for Makatia.
Mr. Teacher for.
Why this time?
But she said this.
I just said that.
A jipefu.
Makatia, so you know.
Chenche.
Oh, yeah, now I continue to be in the classroom. No, the 3 o'clock.
Until now, so extra classes. Now, extra classes.
Body be brave. We did what just
it will now change. I'm not so be man. Now, extra classes.
On free to some work, was no this kind of.
But now, extra classes. Now, extra classes. Now, Chile. Oh,
there's other chair. There was also a fox.
Don't mean extra
time. Oh, they do a big crowd as a big teaching. Now, got that time to shut.
Supreme concrete product in here, Papa. Is you.
We're sure.
Oh, is you. Mamma Cho. Oh, Debbie. Mamma Cho.
What much away? Now, so would you know you? Me say, oh wow! Okay, yo.
Claire, she
is a champion kind of. What's the other booby as a child? Champion has good.
Yes.
Also booby as a number child.
And let me feeling it dressing.
The champ.
And no boss after game.
No, he goes in for the best.
And on this supporters, and I'm saying, Kai.
How did you should be Harris or Bubia?
The top of the pa, chop. Supreme concrete product in here, papa. Obia wusi dying, said Diana wusi no. Ebeko yedi amade. I was so used to blocks, papa. Used to blocks, papa. So blocks, papa. And I debe si dying dia. Aye supreme concrete diano and papa. In Kransa. What's the coin so special ice? Me know what.
Wow. Say enya de papa. Yeah, so.
Debbie. So the whole part they will pay the highest grade.
Yeah, say we so.
Nesane bottom.
Yes. Mami a message is kakrebi, okay?
Okay.
All right. Me hu watara mamuda. Anyway, Abremi from Croydon, UK. Watara say, good morning, Sergio. At long last, Alhaji Gruza has sacked the most incompetent King Faisal coach ever. We never paid any foreign coach $3,000 US. Apart from this incompetent one. For once, Alhaji Gruza has listened to our cry. The coach who cannot speak proper English language, how can he talk to the players? By the way, Operation 3 points at Tachiman against Accra Heart of Oak. Inshallah, we'll get all the 3 points. Watara Mahmuda anyway free Croydon in UK. And so Abahano. Itwell. Mensa County and Itwell. I saw JM nicely written on his chest with broad smiles after the break. 1-1 was the score line. Then 1-1 was the score line then. They failed to take their chances due to hard luck. He should accept the results. JM Jose Mourinho must congratulate JK Club, Georgian club. You never walk alone. It's well. Anyway, a free Eva Agona. And so they are also no true poem. My poet. The never see on the bar. As I say the mano. All right. You free it well, so now quickly. Young call Facebook and so kakra me hu akwasi buachi de wa live from Wasa Japan. Oyibo buachi the way free nyebe watching you live. Congratulations to Adriana Stars for putting the bragging heart of folk to their proper place. By the way, I'm wishing my darling club Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the best as we play Olympics today. Fabulous. The best. Aaron Osajifo. We say, good morning, Sir Joe. I'm enjoying it from GOPDC Limited. Kwai Estate near Kede Eastern Region. Wow. Arsenal is killing me slowly. When are we going to bounce back? God will tell. Aaron Osajifo, Odi Abba, and no Mami Azikasari. Good morning, Sir Joe. I think Milan need to improve on their defense. The rate the rate at which we concede is very bad. Win for Asante Kotoko today. Asari Isaac, Ediode Abarono. Abdul Hamid, wishing Asante Kotoko the very best of luck. Please, we need more local stories today. Mati. Ejeidako on Hineba. Also watching you live from Zebila in the Upper East region. Liverpool, my darling club, won simply yesterday. You never walk alone. Greetings to Kasim at Kede Adankrono. Wow. Piaga. Good morning. Heart of Oak disappointed me, but Liverpool made my day. Excellent display by Curtis Jones, Achim Asafo, and Adiwi Ifrieba. Abdul Sata. Good morning. I'm watching you live from Brokrom, Nanapia. I'm wishing my team Asante Kotoko the very best of luck. Please say hi to brother Awal Hudu. Malam Iniesta anyway, the best sports station is live inside Malam Iniesta Enterprise, Efijasi, Asokori, Zongo. Keep it up. Casban Sports, the best. Daniel Saki, message, good morning, Sergio. Kumasi Asante Kotoko is going to win today. I'm watching you live from Qatar, Doha. You guys are doing a great job. Yadasipa Olivet Faces. I'm watching you live from Comerica, Barbados. Saudi. Oh, okay. May God continue to bless you guys. King Jesus Junction, Asinia, and so on. Nanapoku, Madru, so may Akabe Kakre may ye from Amway. Nanapoku was a good morning. Do I think JM was asleep on the touchline yesterday? How can you say the best team lost after you couldn't play 29 when you couldn't play 29% of ball? You couldn't get 29% of ball possession. Ntokofunu wa na account ena aka akika na visa. Okay, actually, this is your stone about Jose Mourinho. Watching you live from Italy. Yadamasipa. Twaso dia Joshua Barnes also watching you live from Saudi Arabia. Yadamasipa. Miami Yahudu Amotai. FA free no Nyankopon Chiramo. Steven Tete, hi, said good morning. I'm Steven Tete from BBN Western North region. Please, yesterday's match between Adriana Stars and Hearts of Oak. I saw Yaya Mohammed taking drugs in the second half of the game at the touchline. Is it not shameful to our league for a player to take drugs on the field of play when in a match that is being telecast live on television? Wow. Thank you for your good work. In fact, we enjoy your program so much. Yadamasipa Innocent Minila also say good morning, Joe. Watching you live from Mensia Local Prisons Canteen. Oh, Yadamasipa. Heart of Oak disappointed me. Greetings to all promoted officers at Mensia Local Prisons. More canteen, prisoners.
Prison officers.
Oh, I'm video canteen. Oh, okay.
What's a prison show?
Prison, Matilda, and Corda.
Hey, Metro Moda.
Oh, yeah, 15 years ago, yes.
How much you? Hey,
Mamma, Katwabina,
Cochino. What do you bet you walk?
Only was there.
Was there? Was there? How much you look at show? Our round mention. How much shadow error for Metro shows this year?
3 days. Was Michelle, maybe I will be a Cochiano. And the moment we are doing prisoners, I
see prison officers.
Because more than in the fire, the end of this year, serious. When you say every person, I know canteen. Okay, yeah, what is it? Good morning. Joe, will Fabio Gama make his Kotoko debut today? As a correct man, Ponadi Efriba. Minimum is a work permit. So, what mean in Nadia? Which me a feature for Santi Kotoko. I love Kesman Sports so much. For Hearts of Oak, they should send their goalkeeper to Diasa. Body anyway, if you didn't tell me out and every Oba Yafra, come on, hey, my darling, what's it say? He said, Joe, you're always looking good, eh? Greetings to you all. Oba Yafra, come on.
Oba the number.
Oba ya,
Number.
That's a moment worry. Most of Oba ya number sign.
Oh, number
through a year be ha and I worry.
Oba number.
Kesben.
No buy or buy no spelling the same. No more buyer.
Boy wishes are also Kesben sir.
Then I'm really picture.
Okay. Also console computer. Yabuachi said, why do you raise up your hand when you pronounce the name Hudu? Hudu one. I see, I don't know. All right, then first later, I and so I mean check credit.
You know, I mean, Pakwisi Kasano.
Pakwisi
Fibin. Or Kasano say, almost striker, young Mohammed was really sick.
Yeah. The shoulder problem on his
and I think that Philippine, no, a moment of pain killaby, and no more haunted, yes, be a num, because
drugs and injections there.
The moment, and yes, on my droop on the not just a new body, no, shoulder.
All right, it's Yen Chadi. Quickly. There, I'm going to voice with.
With what we face in the ring, sometimes we'll fill the round 6, round 5. We don't have to go to the round 7, round 8 because the punches are sometimes too much. So now we feel like this is enough. But because you have to be a man, you still have to go. Boxing is too much of a work. It's a natural. Do you love yourself? You love yourself. That they punch you, getting swollen, getting cuts. You think it's a funny? It's something maybe I learned when
it is not a funny. All right, Pamjo, why this has a way? It's Mamu Uti Radio, 93.3 Kumasi, 92.9 Accra, Mudiano no Pamjo television foreign count. Mo famra sisia na yen chemwa dear. Say good morning. I'm proud of you guys. Kesman Sports now, no size. Kumasi Santiko Toko 2 Olympics nil. Ata Mansia Palace ata abecha pa ono di message bye. Okay.
Joshua Clotte
Aba. Okay.
Second person pe ne winning. Yes.
Okay.
Osi Joshua.
Yeah.
Clotte.
Ronaldo. Richard Opoku Ajiman Adaruma.
Virginia.
Yedi we aba Virginia.
024.
Na yedi we Abraham for. Mama mo di no bre. Richard Opoku Ajiman. Ronaldo Virginia Adaruma ni bottom onna amachino okojuma so be yo benyeska na wa break kakra na dia maya dofo yakobo nshira pa Ronaldo we obia God bless you
amen. 0243 817808 0243 817808 Joshua Clotte.
Okay.
Ronaldo.
Nice guy. My name is Wawaria. Okay. And Ronaldo no. But me say Chabium, we are 20 cities. Yes, me say Chabium.
What's that Chabium?
Yes, move a picture bimra for TV for no.
Okay.
TV for no. Yes, me Sabeni. Me pentem.
Bless me, sir.
Yes, why any wine a from one. Hey. 0244263902 0244263902 Move brother min chama this is here. You know 20 cities. Kwame o ma ba na. Say 20 seconds mai. Okay, ne me kofa commercial.
Kofa ba na ko bi. And the third on the second on the third. What's the boss?
Memo.
Debbie, I say hey, people are fast oh. No be a salon. Hey, people are fast.
30 seconds aba.
30 seconds.
What's up about you?
Hey, we say
the all left, you know. Yusuf Alasan. Kotoko. So just say. The whole 15 in Jodebra. And Ajimandia Rambo.
Okay.
You want to try?
But we did just say Okobanu metimenya but you go bomiensa. But we back they say Inusa Fuseni.
Yo, Yensa Imra, now quickly, Metwas from Abonunda Pausima, Ediasa, and so Kesben 93.3 live on Kesben television. Oh, sign 8 year live, Ewan Crying. Kesben 92.9. Yanko foreign storage, no Emu Kakrai. Nafi Yensa Imra, Emetwaso, Emphasis, and count. And you can Mamisha same free. Wait, no, no.
So you read the message,
yeah.
On say Yaya was taking drugs.
Yeah, Mohammed, yeah.
During a live game.
Facebook message.
Yeah, I think I tried to find out. Now, now crimes and no issue.
Okay.
When you say somebody is taking drugs, now you do baby cry athlete. Am I wrong connotation? Says a beer banned drug and now substance being any panic taking. Yeah, Mohammed Ankasa injury kakra na. Or the painkiller so only 3 times a day. So according to Enrano after breakfast no numbako. Intinanka after warm up so numbako. But ni refie inti game ni koso na no asase etipe no. To call omumazo anu krane binio inti ambulance for no ena edimano emane nom diclofenac.
Yes. Kesben TV. We was on in a chat out the bro. And from a domain group.
Yes.
And I Mohammed Nankasa send this I didn't know all no diclo. Yeah, a diclo pamcho. And that Kesben TV so no. On one of their brain. Same fancy TV is no be a word no.
We got no tissue. A branch and comes he got a bit worried. The good thing is that from the ambulance men and the brain.
Okay.
A man in me into it. Painkillers.
All right.
And your band.
Okay. Yeah. Good morning.
Lukaku. And no assess
from on your feet.
And I bet
you. Yeah. Also, on for so no.
Panic also me bomb.
Because no pra.
And no sorry, be as I didn't.
You
need to be celebrated.
Wow. That guy. That's something. Andy 7 minutes.
No problem. Yeah, they buy Binyana once a month. He need to be celebrated. But look at the performance. He's forgetting about old age and old stuff and performing on the photo play. That is the most important thing. So, me shall say from Josie Wa. He lost it in the last minute.
Sometimes we go to training grounds or you're late or visa. And I'm off for Oba or Namunina Tito. Now, we are coach Bofu catch a place when I'm training. Maybe born at the woman.
Trainers, Yabo.
Have good training. Me the born a woman. Now I'm okay, you
know he has a fine boy.
Oh yeah.
With Tracy watch.
Yeah.
Tracy. A fine boy, very handsome boy.
Okay, me too.
And said you after game no in same one. Just say ni team na ya de pa. Team ya de pa ni lusunra. And secondly, people are criticizing Jose Mourinho per his game plan and his tactics of deploying on the photo play. First of all, we need to say the best team lost. On the photo play, me did to say Tottenham was paying decent chances and competing a kid.
Okay, credit goes to Andy Kem for how he's explained Jose Mourinho's matter. Wow. Watara and the we Abamin Kosunai quickly. Namin share a large mama Fira one Chibanda line. I'll say it's good Kim Faisal has parted ways with their expatriate coach. The coach is simply not on top of his game. As we the ordinary people have been able to know that the Inshallah boys from day one have not been resolute defensively. This incompetent coach has not been able to resolve this challenge of the club. Alaji Mama said if you were one chip underline and so the way about first a coach here you see a second and say me run penny for more. Say take a decision. Sa someone sake omo. Nanso no much more confirm say enye come
Anthony come. And coach your friend Slaviza Kozic.
and they go has match.
Said you mind on my pam no.
And you know not just
Kifesa, me ba Kifesa o 2 coaches.
Yeah.
Or more Slaviza.
Yeah.
How ye the head coach Bruni. And more coach Anthony Kome, formerly of New Dubiasi as his assistant.
Yeah.
They have a crucial game against Hearts of Folk. Obeka last season Omobebo has an Tranketi League no.
Yeah.
And some Omodia Shima ye say, sir 2 coach team from Kobosa Amat no team manager the Domo Kobana I say.
Almost Saki coach.
Omapam.
Yeah. Joshua Bebraminta, good morning, Sajo, and your crew. Can't wait to hear from the wisdom speech of Professor Hudu. Indeed, Professor Hudu and young now I heard the prof, and so the Joe and the Twitter crew. Where's Alaji Babashai? I didn't hear from him. One Heart of Folk won 3-0. Heart of Folk lost yesterday too. So I want to hear from him and see how he will carry his stories. Momo Yaya told Heart of Folk he will score them, and indeed they stood aloof for him to score. What do you have for us this Xmas? Abi, you can change the airtime to Star Times decoder. I wish Fabulous and Asante Kotoko the very best of luck today. Anafi, and anyway, every Sunyai Zungu Abre. Anafi, open decoder, open Star Time. We are so dedicated to your program. Until go via Chenibi.
Aye.
Metobiamano.
Anafi, I'm saying, the listener bit my man because apart from program crown is a friend. I mean, he's a body.
Who don't find a program?
Yes.
Anafi.
I promise you one Star Times startup. Decoder no money now. This.
Musu be aso beto a year goes for 6 months.
Hey.
Aye.
And then that do it.
Maybe we'll go.
Oh, say yeah, way.
Yeah, 6 months. You better, bro. Tita be a person who work must be piano. Brana Beji good and about. 6 months.
Obet mouse mama da command usinya.
Obokoda.
Oh, meet me need time. Maybe a weekend come meet me da command.
Na ko yo hu fi ogun
Look at that go to man.
Who do? I'm wrong. I never find Africa. And I will
Sergio, and then me wo Fabrice Ndo once in Kakra. Oh yeah, Cameroon goalkeeper. I think so. Bekai wow student.
Okay, what did
wow student Ibrahim Tanku. South Ham no assistant coach Emma Volkafinke.
Japan.
Cameroon.
Oh, Cameroon. Okay.
Yeah. Omo de ba the Afcon the Kobono Equatorial Guinea.
Okay.
The nan Cameroon ebe hosti. Na I think say some Ebola and Sembaya Equatorial Guinea best pin ebe hosti competition.
Yeah.
And me saw Nick Cox head of academy. Emma Manchester United. Now Brexit and so some rules biaba. And you better share vis-a-vis how it's going to affect players moving from their various countries into the English Premier League.
Okay.
Vis-a-vis non-EU players and EU players.
Okay.
Sergio, as at age 19, Naval Kafinki and the assistant Ibrahim Tenku, were the balls to make him keep the number 1 puts for the Cameroonian national team. Fabrice Ondua, as at age 19, no Basabi Academy. And on the neighbor Afcon in 2015, make him move up when they pick into so. On the neighbor Afcon, no more Group D, or more Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Guinea, and Mali, even though more we here. But we saw a lot of prospects. That guy, as at age 19, the following 2 years, which was 2017. Now or that Cameroon national team on Beji Afcon, the Omobeshe semi-finals. SRJ tournament after beating Egypt 2-1. Enwa KV was standing in the club on Mapamano. Due to indiscipline, Seju. Oko Belgium, ye the lockdown rules aba. Say Obian follow COVID protocols. But wako organize a party ni fee. Na nsensema ekoso amanfo tidede na ekofre play police phone so buy no when the reporter me gather say police phone buy no they were verbally assaulted. The guys are not organizing party no assaulted the police. So enwa Gauthier Ganage, the president of the club, KV Ostende, Omo releasing and almost send it an email so more release. Or you're only 24.
No, that Cameroon until say Andre Onana Babejini post.
Okay.
He's guy with a full of prospects. At age 24, this kind of things he did. And I just say, already was it last week or 2 weeks or so. Me I can't want them say Adene African goalkeepers. Were mainstream Europe. Now when you from the Samuel Eto'o Academy, what me bring into the Basabi, let me bring into the Cameroonian national team proper. As at age 19. No, you're teenager, not but no, you're coin Ecuador, our national team, and this kind of indiscipline, and to me, I'm so disappointed. And even club president Nukraka said they cannot accept this kind of irresponsible and selfish attitude. And too bad. Goalkeeper of a young caliber, only 24 years. Now what this kind of Subaya Diama it doesn't augur well for African football, especially Wabra ye Bompaisa ye film say benya more goalkeepers making it in the mainstream Europe. So your Brexit ne dia semaba. Now from January 1st 2021.
Brexit.
Yeah.
The time name Janka Uchechi mo kama tole time.
Kitwe bi seju.
But matechi mo.
Kitwe bi. So we
Awa Mohammed.
Hudu. So we a player na undru 18 any English club intimi sign you. Just we drew 18. And Nick Cox, head of academy, Emma Manchester United, a grantee an interview with BBC and
okay.
No or lamente said ye be affect you because ya no the academy no omo be behind the kofa place. And even Manchester United academy right now, young team, 9 players are English. Even one of them, kabe 9.1 million euros. And a Leon, Ekofane by Hannibal Medri. 9.1 million euros. No more he said I don't know a be affectium. And so what's a player who drew 21 years only English club only 3 players are drew 21 years from the winter transfer na Ibaso. Now from summer transfer there, wait me keep high best 6 players. Omo under 21. No, omo system be omo be grantee ama players. Omo friend the governing body endorsement. No say you be depending on your appearance with your national team.
Okay.
Number 2, the club that is going to sell you, the quality of the club, the league that the club is playing, the performance of the club, its progression and its retrogression. Third one also, the selling club no, the performance, appearance, any performance in the European competitions.
The club's progression and retrogression. Awal Mohammed.
So said I didn't and no kase I didn't be affect so the tennis says we at Manchester United and Chelsea now pe player and now why identify player be a onyan do it this your affiliate be koto and I be a wato no their mano.
Okay.
Ebi a obo kakra or you do that age no. Who say some of the clubs say were affiliates. Who Manchester United more affiliate with Royal Antwerp and Belgium. Chelsea kura no more some partnership with Vitesse Arnhem.
Okay.
Manchester City to say no more partnership with Troyes Ewo France. Almost our partnership with Girona. So this be a what me identify young player under 18. This how they are kwakoto. No they are kwakoma play be of team be only England. So say that's the rules. And Brexit no the same idea banu say you say Chelsea betime signing player under 21 within this winter transfer bar and say so mo bring
okay.
And a summer transfer when your players under 21 adults why 6 and say the reason behind this policy is just to upgrade and then promote the English players and the tennis almost shada nya di biasa and no nya sem say you
all right Awa Mohammed
na 20 years
no gonna go uza wasam you
yeah
how to folk edge Champions League no
20 years
nene
yeah time flies pow
yeah and check crowd
time flies
Kakai
oh Mekai said you
20 years ago
Mekai who's as of folk or more the prelims no so their next game was against Horoya of Guinea. House of Folk won 2-1 ewa here ewa Accra and omukobo 2-2 the next game was against DC Mutimba Pimbi of DR Congo 4-1 ewa Accra 2-0 ewa DR Congo now we went into the group stage Sejo on one lose match
okay games
only one draw Sejo
games no
yes
Koswe
has Elali 2-1 ɛwɔ Accra. Has since that day Use has the Kenya penalty in the 8th minute. Isaac Ipe the Kenya share penalty no. 16th minute, 17th minute na penalty so by Kotoko. No be adwane Razak mu nyina obi adwane. Yusuf Alasa kofa ball no na Razak bisane say ka ya. Che say ubetimia ball. Hausa. Yeah, Hausa. And o say na ya. Ti o share go na ne koye 1-1. 85th minute John Banaman. I'ma come end of the first and o share the second woman here.
Now how many years?
Young woman. But me of be
and to me come on
Matthew
85
December 8th. Since that day, Sergio, I will come here. Kotokone has wow, she face go lose. Until September and Sana Koye. Since that day, Kotokone has Ukuma. So she face go lose.
Our events here. Number 10 ya twaso. I'm ready sir. Ompani mfoso atrase. Ma omoso enkasa kakra na fi yentu adwumede but wo hwe Kesman television. Sasa wo tie Kesman 3.3. I will Kumasi Asida House was 88 or 92.9 ewo Enkran. Harry Zako champion chairman edin kakra to jade afa eyesa asemi ayeke hu say enani mfie du no pepe Hearts of Oak omuti Champions League ewo Enkran 20 years any na odia tudwa say board no ni bibia no mo here free board no say board no be fa omo afutu enkwa no mo here free board no so be board members na bibia ne mo tu board no fa omo mfa Harry Zako on a Happy FM and the drink kobo but don't me take a gravy na yentoso
in the club. We are the old takus in the club. We cannot say we should leave the club where it is. We don't want Togbe to leave, but he should take a small advice from the old people who runs the club. Togbe, he has done very well and he's still doing very good. But you know, people talk a lot. People go to spoil me or spoil Ernest Thompson or Aniaye Bonte or Steven Akwete and all this. No, we love the club. We love to work with him. We are not saying we want to be on the board. Frank Nelson is there. Ivan Moses is there. Tamaklo is there. They are enough. Listen to them and listen to the people who are on the ground. You see, where Haas is sitting today, I don't think it's good for the club. If Haas tried to lose another 2-3 matches, it should not be good for them.
Champion chairman Harry Zako. This was also there to the Happy FM. All right, manager, me ba ho. Ye trace if you don't know, eh? Ana, no so foreign. Dabi, yenye fie. Go fie braki kama on fama.
Say you no credit.
All right.
Now, me say me share Gina House of Folk for now. Na ma wieo Felix Anan no baby room kakra oni ata.
Felix Anan, Felix Anan.
Yeah, our relationship to and nkoma ye bedi kakra.
Okay, yanko.
Yeah, and figures be use ha bia no. The enfan share team say ball no speed enka ho. Apart from ball no speed, figure bia be hu ha bia the software na generate. And so you accurate. Let's start with Hasfolk and Dreams and Yako screen. This is CSA Joe. Hasfolk for central midfielders always be no bomb so reliant, but manager we buy and a Costa Perpetua decided say obey use some of them and no rush phone on one would be more so bench and quickly and coach screen so near analyzing how Hasfolk we need from a motivating factor against Dreams. Anyhow, I bear started analyzing manager and Kasane methods out Jabba or the baby replace ni Odum. So you bet me I could screen so quickly said Joe now you share everyone more and the can want some the combination of House of game about your Dreams and Dokobotia Adriana and so Joe differences and are so wide. Differences in the show say a class of Kwajuma be breya, Yen Fire Jun Koho, Nemo as fast as always as they are, on rely on so much on results, but a question and Sanya question certain things and Shada Enkoye Otinum and a idea has folk team no, especially technical team no, or Monto Mubwase. If says a John Babo for midfielders are or Muhu very compatible, or Muhu very much balanced, or make me a favor so more bar. Football as football always so selected two components, not balance anymore. Ain't me and gaining any results. Ain't me for results to be ember. And your certain highlights be you best say you go through CCA against Dreams, especially now you're real. So say yo, basically bet me room was a year corner. Even though bet me a join here now almost wash but a but
also what trans me was technicians bear 10 if you still Okay, you. Send it here.
Edam.
Asa media anymore.
So say Joe, shares is here. For me, feel there's a one thing for Hasselhoff boy, and Obo Nuruddin, and Obo Michelle Sapon, Lawali Mamani, and Obo Ansabotri. Now among these four, there was no balance. Overshare Mamani Lawali profile or the buy and Ostiti at the base, or person general defenders in him. All the passes, most often about 90%. Yeah, no distant passes. Yeah, no long passes. Where you play a bit in the mood of Andre Pelou. But manager where friends, a Costa Papichba and Wababe Sesano. And we're moving a call at the tip of the diamond four now. Who screen is the CA, Ubenya Nuruddin, Ostiti at the base. Ubenya Michelle Sapon, Ubenya Sabotri, and then Lawali Mamani, a form midfielder, and a wall screen. They form the shape of the Hasselhoff midfield. This is the structure. Adia Hasselhoff have won so much against Dreams and Momunya. That score line 3 no. So Joe room Hasselhoff 8 defender and answer attacking. No, you more defenders which are there's no penetration. Now we question said the internet penetration anyhow. That means that there's very little creativity. When they create no penetrate. So Ocean space can create that way. There's a boy connected to Patrick Razak, but because Dreams saw so much players away and as some defense or more pressure 1-1, they will win the ball from Hasselhoff. But Dreams unfortunately really born deeper. They always try to counter with few men in the attack. And so the Dreams no the ball always they try to attack Hasselhoff with few men. Abuswaye too. So Hasselhoff best recover ball no masa so building new attack. Two differences in the Hasselhoff of 4 midfielders, but realistically Miensa and a building up the core attack, and that means and Nuruddin as the number 6 drop because center backs too no forming the trio no building up the Hasselhoff. A basta no push 2 full backs in the court. Larry Smiler and Radio Voka no mummy because midfield drew. Another circumstance, we show screen as well, and Sabotri has the ball. Opposite penetrative, but I Dreams lineup now. They have contained Razak and there could have been Junior. It won't feel your back phone. And there will be at times when there's no space to connect to any attacker. So when Sabotri ever had the ball, I say and this is why I say Hasselhoff air penetrator. They find it so tough. So bet me a penetrating. It's basta no the ball no echo mature. Somebody would ask, say then you goes me and so look at something here. Dreams air of Hasselhoff just 2 chances. Your passing options. Nina so you're wide. Larry and then Ovuka. Now who's a tower blue show mono. Midfield they are so compact and Dream Iromo in 4-4-2. So once a 4-1-5 the Hasselhoff me and Sano and a back for so I more attackers. Now a work Srono and the Cobasa over force their 5 Dreams for no end came out. And this is what went on against Hasselhoff. Now, America, unfortunately, Dreams better recover ball, but transiting with few men. So this is about 2 players, and 3 versus 2. They have a lot of decisions to make here, but how they get things right, attacking Hasselhoff 2 defenders. Unfortunately, Amani Dantani and me and Yadi one decided very undecisive and October no to now realizing this, also 2 defenders, how to release or take on decision making point, the striker failed, and now from this point, another key zone here, the central zone is occupied by Dreams. It has to be built at your fan chain. When you are in a course until Hasselhoff fortunately a catchy Dreams on the counter. So look at something. Patrick Razak no large space. But a bad deal so meet me at Trans City. The reason being that Dreams ever saw be close to at the Ajibono. Penetration was so tough for Hasselhoff, and this is the reality. Has team always penetrate here except taking the advantage of those players pace to say Patrick Razak and then Obin Jr. And one of them and the goes in the buy. So Dreams always attack with few men. Now you share it to a viewer. Hasselhoff back for in our presence. Or Larry or Moalasa or Robertado and then or Radio Voka. The circle channel a Nuruddin that holding midfielder. And also position our Baba cover now was slotting into the back 4. It's so beautiful. So you holding midfielder, I'll be dropping in as the 3rd centre back. I'll be watching for. And the position of General and the critique the goal for Hasselhoff as the first goal. So no didn't position holding until someone buyer or try to close to Dreams player now. And that is when the transition process really started. So Hasselhoff winning ball was starting from Nuruddin and then quickly I find that the real counter Hasselhoff used to in so getting the boys like this Hasselhoff get me in your goals, and this is a few occasions Obaba 1 or 2 Dreams players
It's so horrible, and Hasselhoff doing your goals. So we are asking, what is the attacking pattern of Hasselhoff? Is it a possession game by play for midfielders or a counter-attacking game? So anytime Bianombo caught on the counter, say Joe, they have your goals. Okay. So Hasselhoff caught on the counter, they have your goals. So quickly, I share the second goal now, a Barcelona, and you're moving them back line Munier and say Joe. Anytime Biana Hasselhoff be defending, you realize something. Say dreams and a more chance, and more consider goal. So Yanshe Hasselhoff and our set piece and the dreams recover ball and sana that second goal. So this is the marking. Two players in your goal no dem Hasselhoff ni. Obin Junior and then Michel Sapon. Now Oshe post to no the player no cover goal post now sorry ho. On about Bejina 18 in next one. And that's a 6-yard box in next. And the only thing as a Joe, I can say pie, but obey Jumano. But unfortunately, pie kwa. And we judge that sport not to one and Hasselhoff a Barry Bono. And the man may conclude with say measure attack in particular no. So Joe and I'm person because no. Richard attack a one goalkeeper or wait so much. Technically he's very good. But Sir Joe, your idea friend say anthropometric pattern. A measure player profile.
Anthropometric
pattern.
Okay.
Measure the human body, how it will grow. The body mass of the body. If it goes higher, velocity wise, negatively, it affects your body movement. So say Joe, you have a practical. The person actually say you have a player or fan or turn and then weight 60 kg. But I want analyzing here by 2 years time no 80 kg. Not just at the Keba. So you need to always analyze. Now, your information is that can grant one every week. You know, we take weight and then height measurement. But Hasselhoff Jai, and this is what is really going against. And on your cases, I say Joe. And on your cases. Now, you share a go how I buy a rich arm woman. Just this particular thing I am screen see any free on more. And not much, Adriana Diano. Okay. Radio Volcan who is screen is no. There are two players covering the left back position. Radio Volcan at times the Diano red, you know. And then Manaf and a green no, Matakin green no. Okay. So tactically, Radio Volcan is out of position. Or back defense or back and cover be identified as a left fullback or out of position. Okay. So engine to Manaf air cover. But how is the cover like? So Osha clearly the distance between Manaf and cover and the ball distance is 6 meters. The distance from the ball to Azekwan is 4.5 meters. So Sergio, how do you press the ball possessor? Now look at the distance. And to want to mean pressure so much or deliver quality cross in the box room. And question me busani nyina very simple. You share the keto abi ha say ball no and the ball has to focus and referee nyina but unfortunately fan say so fast to hu. But ball no ball one last answer no and deflect e ko di ya yanim. But say Joe, yeah, e deflect e ko di ya yanim. And I can't born the two more. Now, a deal be a channel so I say advantage. Yes, you
one
a good referee. Oh, yes.
As a
advantage, which is good referee.
Oh, sure. Sure. Now, you should be a go post my tada from by born in shoot here. We should go post my Richard at our tone of wonderful. Oh no, I'm corner wonderful, but ya more born.
Or if
I blue with that
on the down and pull down. Before say I have a kick on that baby.
Yes. A honor body mass in a bemuno. A honor body mass in a bemuno. The amount of tone where deflection, you know. But when me recover them, so we ask a question of agility and speed. How do you react to second balls? Ball not deflected, but that's that form. Basaya has the opportunity to bury the ball with simple. But baby, you say, baby, you're done and you had the bonify. You had the bonify, no super. No. His
body mass.
It was true. Now, and so Joe, if you move 20 meters or more, velocity wise, affective motion and motion in the movement I can once more. So before I cross the babano, I tell you the whole process now. And a deflection a change in the idea in the movement.
Okay. And okay.
And she almost said the second photo no.
Deflect here. Maybe not born down.
Yes. It in the second photo not just a movie. But born in Yendri Ayaho. So top for na ya elbow bone. It was all that. It was all that.
na body mass na okika ne sana kese why kese asikyire nyina no omo aidu
chemistry no so we check chemistry
yeah science
who check chemistry no what school Wesley College but so we science there we say where we
Sergio kitu abi yewe now Adriana second goal no there was a communication from Presakwa then to my ready at who say catching a distance only movement to track the ball now we are measuring two speeds here the speed of attack and the speed of the ball. Anytime we can say the speed of the ball, we can't tell, we can't quantify. But the speed of attack, we should know.
Yeah, no, but share goalkeeper no, Richard Atta. And I so yes. Okay.
So Joe, Osha was training so Prince Akwa and what in Insano. There was a communication telling the other players say
Prince Akwa in there.
Osha.
Okay. Why you won't work screen so?
On Oba. So Joe, but be a Prince Ginano, 30 plus meters. Let's reconnect this to the internalized goal. It was also 30 plus meters. So after this rebound, Prince Akwa had the whole time so the catchata and the 30 plus meter distance travel for the ball. No, a tap as watches baby a boy there you could see baby a ball or dano went me in position. Now let's look at something that is so bad about this goalkeeping act from Atta. As I say, can wasn't no to me. I no near money. Prince Akwa caught Atta from 30-meter distance. So a rescue situation here. Unfortunately, I think say a screen into him. Why? Now let's look at something. The diving hotspot, baby, you just dive you know, to the pole, the closest pole, no, 2.8 yards. So let's assume at a height, you say, and then the diving reach, you say, diving reach, you goalkeeper out 2-1, baby, on set me drew, and the favorable so natural height, and you see my fellas a bumno. Because fellas any rich, but the disadvantage is that the height in India, but at our rich, but you waiting into me apply the rich, you know. These are the differences.
Or height, yes. Or rich, but the weight until you make use of the rich.
Exactly. And a fellas is so quick. Anything may be penalty do the same for fellas in because from the 12-yard spot to be a fellas, people fell so it's much penalties. He's so smart, but only height.
Okay.
It's also affected that richness so hormone. And so I really think that Atta should work on the weight, you know. He's one of the best goalkeepers as Joe, your country, our Felix, you know. And this little deficiency, you know, and ya dia won't me and your wajma. Nina no ya niema, okasa very correct here. Over to me, I am wajma. And so Joe, your ball league, you know, about 8 or 6, 7 games. Now I conceded from 30-yard distance twice. That's just all my idea to the position, how they should always catch you off. And each time I see he's the first choice for Hasfolk national team and say a friend. And so you should do certain things. And we want to stay on top of the game, you know.
Marijata and so no 17th December. Kumasi Asante Great Olympics and as I game no about 17th 20th the Nansanso Kotoko any dreams the theater of dreams 23rd Nansa Pepe Kotokone Al Hilal Accra Sports Stadium and then Nansa Subium and 27th Kotoko and so any Mediama Mediama home Takwa. Now we and our supporters and say haba minim abijafo say na madwen mo se Kotoko ekwa Africa pa on the 23rd ukrada na ne kwasiada is a dreams kobo match almost mo ntiase na dinti se basa come back the transit local stories no abre na fe yare daka and so elho anafi I always get confused when Newton starts his teachings because anytime I watch him demonstrating all it tells me is some of us just watch the matches like that. We don't see what he sees in the game. Okay, and so it well. I was at the stadium that day. Anyway, we're waiting for Naro to comment on a Liverpool game. Naro, I am not ready for our game. No, Victorious Collins. I'm so proud of this Liverpool team. What they've done so far for the sort of injury casualties we got this season. I'll say kudos to Klopp and his team for such a commendable achievement. It's just exciting to hear Awal in his element. Another great acquisition by you. Greetings to you all from Felliments, Ideal Enterprise, dashing star times to your aficionados. Aficionados, all right. Yes. Me can't say me just star times. Yeah, but of Victorious. I never feel you say the program no. No nyasam kito akra usunayo. Inti washe dan why request. And I'm my granted. Inti fam me yehu anwabia. Victorious Collins. Who will be with Juma Kakraka for elements. Me too be start time on him Bekunto.
On croissant Cocaso
sponsor.
We show I bet me at
all. Kind game no was.
No, Obeso can be a kind of
Tottenham now.
No, seriously, Sergio. And no game no. The Indiana club with jubilate Saudi Premiership and the dynamics around this time last year. Obetina said the way he was jubilating. First of all, they outplayed and outscored Tottenham Hotspur. I was so much impressed with Liverpool yesterday.
So the better team won.
The better team won in my candid.
Better team didn't lose.
My candid opinion. But my reason I can say side game. First of all, no be other 25 points. And Premier League no year after Boxing Day 26. Wow, we top most of the time when I get league. If we say Liverpool, what's a nominal space here 25 and Omashe Echo 28. From now to 3rd January, will be about 5 matches. From Saturday to 3rd January, will be about 5 matches, and your ability to negotiate this Christmas. Or saying games very well, no fixtures very well, no. It goes a long way to help we win it. And I'm tempted to believe, say Liverpool winning against Tottenham Hotspur, a chance potentially they can make it by 3rd January, no. Maybe that's so that top, but on the end there, so on and on 2 occasions after a Boxing Day, that top moment to Nyanji. But the bottom line is that they outplayed and outscored them. But who dear? My imprenu. I'm here who say, my better top should be a
my you supporter.
But seriously, they played well.
How many go fuck myself about? Cobra. The best team won.
The best team lost.
The best team lost. Was it the best team lost?
But Mourinho is back to the normal Mourinho.
Okay, but quickly, I bought Duba Kapasima Ebiasa Enkno Osha Kesben Television Midfield Action 92.9. Ewo Accra 93.3. Ewo Kumasi. Local stories in Pabjo, Yen check a crab, Yen game a coso, Doma, Ahinkro, Hatofuk, and Diana Stars, and then Becoso, Theatre of Dreams. Dreams just in the commercials and Tikotoko, and the other stories are paying. Sorry, the Becoso Accra Sports Stadium, Pamcho, one champion. The make I consider Pamcho, Kotoko, any Olympics or Accra Sports Stadium. Yen check a crabby, and a fixtures now. A buyer no so for NTS, after Kotokoli Dreams, Ali Al Hilal supporters Nebja say, hey, Yanka, F, Yanka. Minimally, Yanka bear 3 minutes. Means every 4 minutes, we 4.
Okay, so
no 3, no 4.
You see.
Fabio Gaba, I'm for Buzazo Mobi, and Azo Mobi. Okay, now
so you supporters no concern or more reason. I think I agree with them. And for me, who be here saying when you Kotoko Dreams on Sunday, say Kotoko a GFP postpone this match, Edema Sante Kotoko. You see, Kotoko the only team, Waka, Ghana, or Africa. And I'm tempted to believe that the least the FA can do to support Kotoko. And it's a mobeti or fixture conjunction, eso. Kotoko bo and as a Chinese Sunday or bo against Dreams. 3 days later, now a ball against Al Hilal. And for me, from Dreams game, a next game against Oliwa Accra, we are no code Akobo Sunday, no Asaba Accra, Abebo Al Hilal. Minye shows Ebeboa Asante Kotoko Ghana football. obi beka say in Europe omo bubo bi to so ne ade look players ne ade asha say
you before some go PSG say no about game 3 days don't call France.
Yes, you see one thing Sergio uko England from now, in fact from Monday to 3rd January almost about 5 matches and on a very congested fixture, and that is about 18 days. But in the case of Kotoko, 10 days 4 matches in Africa, no.
We guys we almost accept managers in complain
in England.
Yeah,
I'm not complaining, but in a situation where you will control over it. On said Mimi Falls here, a special Kotoko versus Dreams. Ghana Football Association has a control over it. Say one of our members, a very important game against Al Hilal. A Mariam Visa Kotoko away game, and it means that Kotoko must win and win convincingly. And so to me, Al Hilal Fima as a chance of Mukomani zone group stage. Which means that at least they have some 6 games. And to the least anybody can do to assist Asante Kotoko. And it's at least. Yes, Emra and Chichre Finize Chinchira on cancel and now postpone it. But I'm tempted to feel say the first step is Kotoko requested for postponement of that match.
Okay.
Kotoko should request for postponement of that match. Okay. We are no free on ma. Ediana beating Hearts of Oak 2-0. Hearts coach Kostadin Papic. Or sit team now Befano. Hearts volunteer says they will win and lose, win and lose, win and lose. Say project no in Rube Bia our mobile winning games at Wasu. Now Yemu Bebre, Ejidi say how they played against Dreams and it's called Munyaye, and also even if you watch their game against Ice Gold, you could see the Hearts of Oak has the potential to play well this season. Tonight Yemu be share ni mu say enke Diana game no ebetimi atoa so ama yehu se bia has a cover point and now a slim margin, but 2-0 defeat there a frustrating project awoye. I feel that the technical team has a lot of work to do. Adriana on the other side, this season Yaya returns from injury, the team gets its mojo back. 2-0 against Hearts of Oak. Great performance from Adriana. Yeah. And Asante Kotoko versus Great Olympics. So be sure anyone say Kotoko dominate Olympics. No chef because Olympics is playing well this season. Usho more results now. Yeah, 3-0. Olympics is playing well. And it is why Jane say Asante Kotoko could cheer for Mswa Nyabutre. Especially a Kotoko side that is not scoring more than a goal in a game. They are not scoring into a tough game.
Okay.
My dream say any win for Kotoko should be good for them.
All right. Emre Nisa. Kofia Champon. Emra now say Adriana lucky.
They were playing Hearts of Oak at the wrong time. So Adriana oh, that be sure for the no now coach na been a report here minimum how authentic is a coach and they say for now the son of Hearts of Oak no any finished business yet into meet me winning no lose meet me winning no lose. Yes son of coach na kamenya I mean confirmation of that. But the Adriana and I think say yes influence no so Etele.
Yeah Lukaku.
I mean he's one of the most experienced and it means consistent. So I mean, Muhammad has been consistent. No matter Team Yobukubia, there's one thing with him. And owns a sense of best into the Ghanaian scene. He been so consistent. He's one player, me man with so much respect. So much respect. When you need why say the bra. It's no one that send us go to Africa na omopeno with an experience and no man how to position himself. Bono go find went here. Tama if any say new thing I don't know share cross the by and no on not the ball too. Say ka kwan bo shot in share sorry ya. Say baby no jina he could have targeted so head the ball into the pole. But we saw to generate power. A bit much goal. Instead, no headed the pass. Oh no, now Quanum said, baby, I pass the question, and so I say, or just in a home, or no drop of ball. Tia, contributed to the build up to the goal, no, and San Osanya, the fan with him. Not position, no, anything offside the off because Bono, you had to folk player, no. a bona crunch and a bamboa. And I think defender no so put online do go post one defender no obey and put we know.
One is I am for program no dia go tino every day. In the messages we buy never go say camera no HIA so no do very bad for.
And the word we use as a drag. Can't you say be a medicine and be been poor now?
Echa do now no me no the Sunday now.
So
a good TV so.
But Pakwesi said in an interview, sana now I know you where they say talisman. Imagine coach if any player talisman. He knows where they decided to work Juventus now can Cristiano Ronaldo and I call Barca now come He knows yes where it
Congrats Pakwesi.
No. I will try to add my voice to facial congestions mass and and how these things play out. My mama and wish madam for power happy birthday. Jones are there. Jubilee House. Sergeant police ni Sergeant Jones are there. Jubilee House. Honor your bodyguard man the Deputy Information Minister. Pius Hajide. Now, Joe, these things they are calling for automatic postponement of match. When the features meet. Tisanka Dana Kotoko any Ahila Bobono. Sadana no mobile league gamer. The FA must automatically postpone Kotoko match or a day or maybe within 2 days. FA must automatically postpone it. Either than that, Kotoko must apply. It's fake and sorry so postpone Kotoko. What if they are ready and they have the ability to do it? In football, please and try and get these things clear before you start blaming somebody. Yes. You have to apply. So because of XYZ, into me plead say match we know we are standing and mommy. Now me and focus and prepare for African Army Bobono. Because we days now 17 to 20 after 20 to 23rd. If it doesn't fall within the automatic postponement, So Dana Kotoko match against be dreams and after dreams league game be no.
After dreams,
Al Hilal.
No, after Al Hilal, there's another. Ebi asadano. Dreams or Al Hilal, mediamano. And omni Al Hilal body. The FA must automatically postpone Kotoko match.
Okay.
But what I say, or omni Al Hilal boy a day before or after. Oh no, and omni dreams or mediama boy. FA must automatically postpone Kotoko match. No. Oh no, anything beyond 2 days need there. Ebi the team have the ability to play. Into you, the team, looking at your circumstance any no man you apply to the FA. So because some match now me born me Africa preparation no moment Mr. me match we because now you didn't even know which one to postpone. Me match maybe the 20th one against Dreams So me one from 17 to 23rd, which about 6 days. Make him that prepare for some match 6 or 7 days. Make him prepare for match. Me postpone some match we mommy. And then you negotiate. Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
In the world, so Kotoko must apply. If indeed say idea how onuma, I saw mucho. Akoma GFA, some postpone. That is where now we will issue. But you haven't applied, you haven't written. Then why do you complain?
All right, you may pay the munafi. I had the Jakarta, but young Wabra. Andike, one Nazana Unyakwa local me. Oh,
Sergio.
Because I never say.
Adeba cause had to full falling at national much and say in the last 3 seasons the only team from this zone said to me actually became United in Kwa and Okra take a 5th minute goal from Kofi Kojin actually became United 3-2 at a class post.
Yeah, as good and so we see discipline in Pfizer Lenkley Stadium 5.
As good a public advisor coach. How much more coach?
And your official about your
coach, you are baby.
The as good goals, and I hear too bad, and you're quite angry. So I'm watching a better and seminar. Now we enough any aggravated doctor and needing to work.
And he said, you have to folks set up now. They need to sit down and analyze the whole situation. Say, why do they struggle against teams from this particular zone? Again, it is important for coach now to know the profile of certain players within the House of Folk setup. So, Nimana Fuma very well and confident Kodoma. Because the kind of game Omo Doman is clearly different from how Manaf plays his game. But at the back also be able to say, Prince Aqua from Kotoko, anytime Bia Obeshi has Bia Oji game the Bonebo. The first Kotoko has game in Kumasi, he was the man of the match. Obia Beka, you proud first half for Kotoko and Tinyama game in view. And then he really stole the game in Medford. The last time Adriana Nya such a dominant player or control game for them was the days of Noah Amati. But then you have Branty friend Prince Aqua said in midfield Nuruddin Lawani, none of them could match him, and clearly. Or I did the icing of the cake by getting that brilliant goal. It be banners. I think all you know, I think said the Hartford setup need to set up normal how they will put things together when they are meeting teams from this particular zone. But the people can ask good about for the 5 goals almost against Kimfesa.
Thank you very much, Andy Kem. Yene doctor